We got Daisy here. She's been following my Instagram for like 100 years. And she's afraid. Everybody's afraid of me.
Yeah.
Neck is bothering her. She's got like a slight scoliosis. So now she's just breaking down and says, I don't care if I'm afraid. I just got to go get this done. Be like in the middle of the shoulder here somewhere. If we go, she's not close. She's forward. She's about that much off. Yep. Keep looking down at your phone like you're looking right now. You get more compressed and tight, then you're cutting off your breathing. Then your oxygen at the bottom of your lungs. It's not good. There you go. Good. You're okay. Oh. This, I can say this to a lady and not get in trouble. Keep your mouth shut. Compress right down the middle.
Oh my god. Okay.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
We got 2 thumbs up. That's awesome. Awesome.